name is Jackson Fortenberry, and today we're going to measure out from the base of the basketball goal 12 feet, and then we're going to calculate the velocity of my shot towards the hoop at about 9 feet tall. So here we go. Feet. Alright. There's 12 feet from the base of the basketball goal. And now we're going to measure from the rim to the ground. I can get it to go up. And that's about, and that is 9 feet. Now we're going to calculate now I'm going to take a shot, and then we'll calculate the force, the velocity of how fast my shot went towards the rim. And then we got to find what angle my shot went towards the hoop. Now we're going to take the shot so I can measure the angle and to calculate my velocity. So here we go. Now we're going to go calculate the velocity. I drew a 90-degree angle to find out what the shot angle is. I drew another line through the middle of the basketball, and I estimated it to be about 60 degrees. I just calculated my angle of the basketball shot towards the rim. And now we're going to plug that angle into the formula and try to find how fast, so that's going to be the velocity, the V naught, the velocity shot of my shot towards the rim. So now we're going to plug all my numbers in that I know into my formula, calculate it to find the velocity, step by step. So we're going to start off with, here's my formula. Then we're going to start with V naught of cosine of the angle was 60 degrees, t, plus my height is 5.6 plus the V naught sine the angle is 60 degrees minus 16t squared. Next, we got the V, this part, we're going to use this part. So this part is going to come down, and we're going to do V naught cosine of 60 t equals 72. That's the height of the rim plus the center of the rim. The height of the rim was 9 feet. It entered at, the shot was taken 8 feet from the center of the hoop. So that's how we got 72. So now t equal, so this is we're going to divide by this to get the t by itself. So we're going to have t equals 72 over cosine 60 degrees. Oh, wait, we forgot the V naught cosine. So V naught cosine goes there. All right, so now we have this part right here is 5.6 plus the V naught of sine 60 degrees minus 16t squared when it equals the middle of the rim as of 8 height. It's the 8. That's the height of where the ball ended up after the shot. All right, so now we're going to take this whole thing and we're going to add this in to this problem here. Oops, did I forget a t somewhere? Let's see. Yep, I forgot a t up here beside my 60. Don't forget your t there. That will kill you, this problem, because you're going to need that with this right here. So now we're going to start the problem with 5.6 plus the V naught of, let's see, whoa, yeah, sine 60 degrees times 72 over V naught cosine 60 degrees. So, and then minus 16 times 72 all over V naught cosine 60 degrees equals the 8 as the height of the ball where it entered the rim. Now, we're going to multiply and add all this together. So we're going to take 5.6 from 8, 8 from 5.6, that's negative 8 over here. So that's going to end up with V naught. Actually, we don't need the V naught anymore right now. That's going to end up with 72 tan of 60 degrees. And then minus the 2.4 equals, this part here is 82,944 all over V naught squared times cosine 60 degrees. Whoops, that degrees is supposed to be in there with that. 60 degrees. That's sine, that's cosine, and then that squared. Now, you're going to just get this onto the other side. So then that's going to equal V naught squared equals all this, because we're going to take the V naught and move it over here to get it by itself, the V naught squared over here, so we can get it by itself. So then we got 82,944 all over so we're going to use cosine 60 degrees, that squared, times 72 tan 60 degrees plus, or nope, it's minus the 2.4. So let me erase this and write it straight across. So this is going to be 82,944 over cosine 60 degrees squared times 72 tan 60 degrees minus the 2.4. Alright, and now we got V naught is roughly equal to 52.083 feet per second. And that's the velocity of the shot towards the rim